Most beginners pick individual stocks, but ETFs usually win in the long run.
An ETF is a basket of many stocks, giving instant diversification.
Buying a single stock is riskier because it depends on one company's success.
Stocks can swing wildly, but ETFs smooth out the ups and downs.
Over decades, ETFs often outperform most individual stocks due to steady growth.
They're diversified, low cost, and simple, perfect for beginners.
So, if you want a safer path to wealth, ETFs are usually the smarter choice.
Follow for more 60-second investing lessons.